Oh, if you were in that, you would have been done. You would have been like this. When you hit the bottom, you would have been like, bam! Just face plant into the concrete. Is that a fucking gator?
What? Is that a gator?
One in the 2-mile trail and then the 1/4 mile one.
I'm tired.
Hey, look, can we camp right here?
I could have brought my combat boots and we could have waited in this.
Oh, I know. I know. Dude, look at that school of bluegill. There's so many.
I can't see.
Look, put these on. Put these on.
I can't.
Look how many there are. There's so many of them.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. There's a nice little one right there. I tell you what, I'm lobster and 2 catfish in a skillet.
What?
I have no idea what I just said, but I done diddly darn said it.
Done diddly darn said it.
I walk alone. Hey, we should just hook up my phone to like a Bluetooth speaker and then just like blast that as loud as possible. Oh my god.
I walk alone, the only one.
Oh my god. Let's shoot a music video. Let's shoot a music video. Right? There's a little rabbit. I'm hunting for rabbits.
It's actually a hare.
It's actually a
Come here, little fucker.
It's actually a hare? Oh, he doesn't even care.
Come here, little fucker.
They're like so used to people just feeding them all the time. It's like not even a big deal. It's a whitetail.
This is a white.
It's a whitetail hare. You know what's funny too is there's actually a squirrel in here called a fox squirrel, or a foxtail squirrel or something. It appeals to the furries.
I didn't know a nature center could have sexual appeal.
There's one. There's a little bass.
Oh, nice.
Little bassy.
What's that little fucker?
I don't know. Oh, that's a little bluegill. Oh, he's cool. Maybe we should try to get a shot of him. He's just chilling there.
Alright.
You see bubbles come out, it's like, ah, we're fucked.
It kills everything in the water.
Oh. Yeah, that's not good. I'm Dirty Dan. In there.
You know, just a natural workout.
There's some gnarly webs. Look at that one right there. Watch this, look at this. We're gonna trick one of them. Alright, here we go, watch, ready?
Oh shit! Fuck that. Nope. Spiders?
Bears? No.
Bears?
It's alright, I'll draw an anti-sea bear circle. We'll be okay. Sea bears and fucking on land. If you can build a goddamn fire under the ocean, I suppose there ought to be sea bears on land. Yo, what? That's my fetish right there. Oh, dude. Look at that turtle just chilling in all that moss. Ready? I'm gonna grab him. Where is he at? Where'd he go? Oh, I see him.
Oh shit.
Little red ear slider. Hey, buddy.
Look
Should
at
get
those
it underwater.
claws though, dude.
Oh, I know. It's pretty cool. Gnarly little dude. Got moss all over the place. What is this? Oh wow, look at that thing. What is this?
Stick bug.
Oh, nice.
He's
oh, Jesus.
Literally right there.
There's another one right there. Those things are pretty big, huh? You wouldn't even be able to see. The dude's gnarly. Look at those fangs, man.
Oh, damn.
You wouldn't want that sucker biting you. Fuck that. It's a trick question. I know. It's a trick question. I know what it is. It's us.
Wow.
Ah, see? Snack. Shout out to Zane. I know how much he likes snakes. Wow, look at this guy. Pretty gnarly.
Alright, what are we doing?
Show me something cool. I want to see something cool. Oh! X up. What?
Right here, we're gonna do a crank flip.
Crank flip?
Crank flip.
Do 180. See if you can do a 180 in a bit. I'm right here, by the way.
Oh! Tires are sponge. It's so spongy. As soon as I land, it's like.